Preventing early use of drugs is not only one of the top national priorities in Mauritius, but is also one of the world's most pressing challenges. The prevalence of substance abuse amongst our youngsters, especially in schools and colleges, is on an upward trend. Teenagers are vulnerable to addictive substances due to peer pressure. Information and education remains an important tool to shield our younger generation from being afflicted by this scourge. The more so because synthetic cannabinoids have now penetrated our schools and colleges and are threatening the well-being of our children. When an adolescent develops a pattern of repeated drug use, it can pose serious social and health risks, including school failure, problems with family and friends, impaired memory, increased risk of contracting infectious diseases like HIV or hepatitis C, their risky sexual behavior, or sharing contaminated injection equipment. The development of an educational curriculum by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime is one of the tools which will contribute to prevent substance abuse amongst young people, thus reducing the risk of drug abuse amongst our youth. The curriculum will help build students' knowledge and understanding of the consequences of drug abuse and improve their problem-solving skills.